All right, so we just got this in the mail, and Lynette got 2 of them. So we've already opened this box, and it comes with this quick start guide. That's the top of the thing, and I don't know how it works, but set that over there. It's got this weird like cup deal in it, and then you got your power source, your plug, and it also, check this out, you can use a remote with it. And so here it is. This is it right here. And if there's any, that's it. That's everything that's in there. So let's take a look. You got, I don't know what you do with this. I don't think you leave it in there. But it's got the all the stuff on the side here. So let's take a look at this. So it's got different levels that you can fill it at. And then down here you've got a light, you got high, low, mist. And then I'm not sure what this here is. This is some kind of doohickey, but I think that is where you plug it in at. All right, so let's take a look at it. Light, right? High, low, mist. It's got these. It tells you something here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I don't know. I can't read it. Holy crap. I don't know what that hole is for. And I think these light up. And this, I'm not sure, but here's our power. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Got to get it undone, right? And I don't know. I might have to read the instructions. Of course, this is all tangled. It's a tangled mess. All right, we're getting it. All right, so anyway, here's the power source. Let's put it in. And then I think we got to pop it this way, right? And now I got to plug this thing in. So let me show you here. Over here is my plug. Okay. So basically you just get some water, pour it in there, put in your little oil drops, put that on there, bam, Bob's your uncle. Then you can do this, which you got to pull this out of here to make this work. Because what this does is it's in between the contacts on the battery. So if you just pull that out like that, bam, done. Now this thing works. Because like it says, water and essential oil, but it doesn't really tell me how much water. You know, it's not really...
Well, supposedly it takes 500 milliliters, so...
Right, so on here, it shows...
That's 150 milliliters.
Oh, all right.
This fills up to here.
Okay.
Max.
So we just fill that up to there? We don't even need that cup, do we?
Correct.
This is distilled water.
Oh, my God. Is everything on? Yeah.
No, I didn't plug it in yet, so we won't get electrocuted.
No, I just know if it's all together. Why can't I see the
You're almost
shadow?
there. You got to go a little higher.
I can't. Oh, there.
I see it. I'll tell you when you're there. Keep going. That's it. Stop. All right. Now, what about the stuff, the sauce?
Where's the
What
rag?
sauce? What?
Where's the rag?
The rag? I don't know. You threw it away.
And then...
All right. She's got to clean up the mess she made here. Look at it's got a remote. Put that right there. All right. So we got the water in there. We got that. Now I think we need to plug it in. Oh, okay, we're good. All right, you got to put the stuff in.
How many drops?
Well, we want to see what they look like.
Mist.
Let me turn these lights off so when we do it, we'll be able to see how the colors. We want to see the colors. Here, let me see. Let me look at the light. I'm gonna do it. Look at that. Look at that. You don't want that? Hey, look, watch.
Yeah, I don't like the light.
Wait a minute, look, it's going through different iterations of lighting.
This is all...
Oh my gosh, look at that.
The whole thing.
Look at this. Look at in here. Watch. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, why would that do that? And it's
I don't
not
know.
doing it on the thing.
Can we just put some of this stuff in it so we can
I'm
smell
going
it?
to see how much goes in. Okay?
Well, you just put a couple drops, I think.
Yeah, I don't really know.
It's in the very front page.
Okay. Where do you see
All
that?
right, flip it one more. Flip it one more. Boom, there.
Yeah, it's not.
It's right here. It says add your stuff. I think we just put a couple drops in, it'll be fine. Look at that. That is so weird.
To just mist density. 1 beep indicates strong mist, 2 indicates a weak mist.
That's down here. So I want to put the drops in so that we can put the top on and we can see the mist. Oh, she's gonna have to go. She's gonna chat GPT it. How many drops do we put in?
How many drops of essential oil do you put in for 500 milliliters of water into the oil diffuser?
$10 to 15 drops. Okay, let's do it.
Strong scent, 15 to 20.
Okay, we're gonna go 10 to 15 to start.
Yeah.
Let's just do 10 to start. All right, what flavor do you want to get?
I like lavender.
Lavender sounds
I like
good.
the eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus is
I
nice.
like lemongrass.
All right, let's just pick one. So because we're just trying it out. Or not.
I need to get more. Patchouli, I love. Is that empty? No.
I don't know. We need one that we got 10 drops though.
I don't
All right, here we go. We're putting it in. 10 drops. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Ah, bam, done. Okay, let's put the top on. Okay, now let's go down here and we're gonna do
Yeah, you didn't even read any of this.
this, and then we're gonna hit mist. Okay, here it goes.
Where does it come out? Oh, here.
Right there. I already smell it. Look.
I mean, when the
Look.
diffuser is on,
Look.
the first press
Look.
sets at 60 minutes mist mode. Second press is 120 minutes. Third press is 180.
Look at the mist coming out of it. You're not even looking.
I can see it.
All right, I'm just
I see it.
saying.
It's cold.
Oh, look at this here. Now we can go on here and we can do
That's all set?
a timer. We can do the light. Look out. Let's try the light. Watch. So I can do different colors.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. I think I prefer purple. And then I could hit continuous. I could hit intermittent. I could hit continuous or I could hit intermittent. I could do on and off.
1 beep for strong mist, 2 beeps for weak mist. So I prefer it weak right now.
All right, where do I beep that? Oh, high, low, right there. What do you want?
Move your thumb.
It's high or low mist. See how it's showing the mist come out? So what did it say? 2 beeps for
2 beeps
for low?
weak mist.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's 3, but I don't know what you did.
I did 2.
No, you did 3 because I heard it.
Oh shit, that's
again.
weird. That's 2 beats. All right, well it's misting, and I can definitely smell it. What do you think? What's your opinion?
Yeah, great.
It smells very.
Put it up in the living room.
Put it in the living
Turn it
room.
off.
All right, well that's how you do it.
How do you turn it off?
It is right here. We got the off button right here. Watch. It's off.
Why did you double beep it though?
I don't know. It just makes a double beep when I do it. So we're gonna put it out in the living room.
How do you know it's on?
Well, I do the light, so it's off. So now if I hit do the light, it's on. All right, so now the mist.
So I smell it.
Okay.
But how do you get the light off and the mist on?
I think I just press and hold the light, and it goes off. Bam, done. All right, I'll
But is
leave
the
that.
mist coming out?
I don't know, you'll have to smell it. I smell it. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.